Hello students, welcome to topuseducation.com. In this video we are going to discuss 10th class state syllabus trigonometry and example problems in exercise 1. Now let us see some of the example problems, and the first one is, if tan A equals to 3 by 4, then find other trigonometric ratios of angle A. Here tan A is given, that is 3 by 4, and asked to find the other trigonometric ratios, that means sin, cos, we should find here. Now first let us draw a required triangle for this question. Here triangle ABC. ABC, angle A, that is A is given, and now given tan A equals to 3 by 4. Already we know that tan A is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. This one we learned in introduction part. Here opposite side by adjacent side, that is 3 by 4. Opposite side is 3. Here the angle presented A, so the opposite side here 3. And in the adjacent side of angle, that is 4. Here let us assume that we should keep here K, because here K is the positive number, any number. And now for angle A, BC is 3K and AB is 4K. Here the angle is in the ratio 3:4, it has already given, that is opposite side is to adjacent side, that equals to 3:4. And now by using Pythagoras theorem, you already know that Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is nothing but side square plus side square equals to hypotenuse square. From triangle ABC, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. That is, here in the triangle AC is the hypotenuse and BC is the sides. And now here AB is nothing but 4K whole square plus BC is nothing but 3K. AC is nothing but, we should find, that is AC square. And now AC equals to square root of 16K square plus 9K square, that equals to square root of, here there is square, when it comes to RHS side it will get root. So here 25K square, and from this root 25 is nothing but 5. K square root, we will get K. So AC is equals to 5K. So now here we have all the three, that is two sides and hypotenuse, that is AC equals to 5K, AB equals to 4K and BC equals to 3K. And from these three sides we can get easily the sine and cos, that is other trigonometric ratios. We know that sin A equals to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is 3k by 5k, that equals to 3 by 5. And similarly for cos A, we know that adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is 4k by 5k, 4 by 5 we will get. And similarly we will find other trigonometric ratios also, that is cot, cosecant and secant. And now cosecant A is nothing but 1 by sin A, that is multiplicative inverse of sin, and we will get 5 by 3. And secant A 1 by cos A, that is 5 by 4. And now cot A. Cot A is nothing but 1 by tan, that equals to 4 by 3. These are the all trigonometric ratios according to the given side, that is given ratio. And this is the first example. Now let us see another example. Here is the another example. Let us see that here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if angle A and angle P are acute angles such that sin A equals to sin P, then prove that angle A is equals to angle P. Here they have given that two triangles, that is triangle ABC. Let us draw the triangles. Triangle A, B, C. Here A is angle, and similarly two right angle triangles P, Q, R. At P is an angle, and now here given that in the question given sin A is equals to sin P. And now we should prove angle A is equals to angle P. Here we already know that from triangle ABC and from triangle PQR, sin A is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. And now from triangle PQR, sin P equals to again opposite by hypotenuse, that is QR by hypotenuse PR. And these two are the from given triangles. And now let us assume these two are, that is BC by AC equals to QR by PR. Let us assume it as K. And now by using Pythagoras theorem, as we already know Pythagoras theorem, and from that AB by PR equals to, here from these two triangles AB by PR. PR is nothing but hypotenuse and AB is side in first triangle, and that is AB by PR equals to square root of AC square minus BC square divided by square root of PQ square minus QR square. It is from Pythagoras theorem, and from this AC square minus, here BC square is nothing but k into AC whole square, that is k square AC square divided by square root of PQ square minus, here QR is nothing but k square PQ square, and from this, here in this AC should be taken common and PQ, and from this we will get AC by PQ. Now according to this, AB by PR is equals to AC by PQ. Here another one, that is equals to BC by QR. So here from this, both of the triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle PQR, both are similar triangles. So then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Therefore angle A is equals to angle B. Angle P. And this is the second example. Angle A equals to angle P. And now let us see the third example. And here is the third example, that is, let us see, consider a triangle PQR. It is right angled in R, in which PQ is 29 units, QR is 21 units, and angle PQR is theta. So then find the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta and cos square theta minus sin square theta. Here it is a triangle PQR. Let us draw the triangle required, that is PQR. Here is P and they have given that it is right angled at R. So R should be here. And here is Q. P is, and here given angle PQR is theta. So here theta should be there. And here given PQ is 29 units. And QR is 21 units. And now here two sides are given. Let us find the other side by using Pythagoras theorem. So here in triangle PQR we have, by Pythagoras theorem, that is PR equals to square root of PQ square minus QR square, that equals to square root of PQ and QR is given 29 square minus 21 square, that is square root of 400, that equals to 20 units. So here PR equals to 20 units. And here from this we have three sides, that is PQ equals to 29, PR equals to 20 and QR is 21. And from these three, now let us find sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. That is, we know that sin theta equals to opposite by hypotenuse, that is 20 by 29. and similarly cos theta equals to adjacent by hypotenuse, and that equals to QR by PQ is nothing but 21 by 29. And now tan theta, here tan theta is not required according to the question, and we can find it opposite by adjacent, that equals to 20 by 21. And now let us find the required quotients, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta. Here cos theta is nothing but 21 by 29 whole square plus sin square theta 20 by 29 whole square, and from this 21 whole square is nothing but 441 and 20 whole square is nothing but 400 divided by 29 whole square is nothing but 841.